When it comes to hanging out, friends usually just think of eating or drinking somewhere late at night. However, there is now a venue for Cebuanos to spend a more fun and meaningful evening hanging out with friends and meeting new people. This is the Slogos Night.
Slogos Night is a trivia game event where people get to join teams and answer very random questions. So the questions can be about pop culture, history, geography, music, and basically anything. Slogos Night started about 6 years ago. It was originally organized by the original game master, Rachel Arandilla, and me being the original host. We started it in Sprockets Cafe back in 2012. And over the years, it has grown, and now we have 4 or 5 people on board the team who do the Slogos in all of our venues every week.
Open to everyone who wants to join, Slogos Night is also free of registration or membership fees.
Our players actually come from different walks of life. High school and college students. We even have teachers and professors, young professionals, locals, people who come from different cities in the Philippines, and even expats who join us every week.
With a lot of players, the weekly event has different venues throughout the week.
At present, we're doing it every Tuesday in Craft in Manila Town Center, every Thursday at Wheels Bar and Grill, every Friday for the month of July in Handurao Mango, and twice a month we're doing it in Monkey's Belly every Wednesday. And all the games start at 9 p.m. I would like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you who have joined Slogos Night since the beginning and up to now. And for those who haven't joined us yet, join us in any of our venues. We'd love to have you there. And we're very inspired to keep on going until there's no more trivia left.
It's free to join, available through most of the week, and available in various venues. Slogos Night sure is a convenient and fun way to spend your evening with friends, and a great way to meet new people. For more updates on Slogos Night activities, you can check out their Facebook page at Slogos Night. This has been Raya de Guzman for MyTV Cebu.